Hello everyone and welcome back to session 4 of 4-H Project Butterfly. I'm Denise Cooper, your Cabarrus County 4-H Program Assistant.
And I'm Beverly Bollenbecker, 4-H Program Associate with Cabarrus County 4-H in Concord, North Carolina.
And today we're going to do several things with our caterpillars today. I think we're going to do a yummy snack for you guys and
also an experiment with our caterpillars, and I will be taking care of that because Miss Denise doesn't like caterpillars and crawling.
I don't do the crawly thing, so I'm going to let Miss Beverly handle that one. And we're going to check in on our little caterpillar fellas to see what they're up to today.
They are really changing, so I think you will enjoy taking a look at how much they have progressed in the past couple days. So let's take a close look at our caterpillars.
Our caterpillars have eaten a lot of their special food that's down in the bottom of the container there that they need and have made their way up to the top of the cup. They're attached to a thin filter paper that's up in the top of the lid there, and several of them have already formed a chrysalis stage. A couple of them are working on it. We have one that has just started the molting process. So they've come a long way since they were little tiny caterpillars.
They really have. And it's best to wait about 2 days before you move them into a butterfly nursery. So our painted lady caterpillars will stay in this for another couple days. A couple of them are still going through the process. So we will wait until all of them's ready and they form their chrysalis. Welcome back, and now we are going to do an experiment on light versus gravity with our caterpillars. And I guess I'll be doing that part.
Absolutely. Now, in nature, a painted lady caterpillar are usually found towards the top of the plant, munching along the leaf's edge.
And some of those basic buggy instincts are found in their favorite spots on their leaves.
Now, in this experiment, youth will learn more about caterpillars' instincts.
So we'll look at the ability to orient towards a stimulus. So in this case, the stimuli will be light and gravity.
Now, in an experiment called This End Up, in our North Carolina curriculum, Winged Wonders, we'll see if the caterpillars are more influenced by light or by gravity.
So as we said earlier, most caterpillars are found toward the top of plants, munching on a leaf's edge.
So let's think about the environmental conditions at the top of the plants and why a caterpillar might like it there.
So let's do an experiment to see if we can solve that question. So our first experiment, we are going to try to get our painted lady caterpillar to go up our pencil to test gravity. So let's review our 3 experiments with our caterpillars. So the first one was an experiment to see if a caterpillar would go up the pencil, and that definitely was accomplished with our caterpillars.
And our second experiment was just to place the flashlight on the plate to see if the caterpillars would go towards the light. They went towards the light.
And the next experiment, the third one, was to put the caterpillar on the pencil and put the light facing down on the pencil, and the caterpillar definitely went down toward the light. So that took care of our 3 experiments.
You know, painted lady butterflies love flowers, so let's make a yummy snack that looks like a flower.
That sounds like a great idea.
So we have an English muffin here. We're going to use an English muffin, a round pineapple slice here, a little bit of peanut butter, and a few little chocolate chips.
And
So let's get started. We're going to take just a little bit of peanut butter and spread on our English muffin.
And if you are allergic to peanuts, then you can use a peanut butter substitute.
And we're going to place one of our slices of pineapple in the middle. And just a few chocolate chips right in the middle to make our pretty little sunflower.
That's a cute sunflower.
And a nutritious snack.
Excellent. I hope you have enjoyed our session for today. We will be checking back in soon with our caterpillars and see what they're up to in a couple days because they're going through lots of changes right now.
And let's enjoy our wonderful sunflower snack.
See you again on our next 4-H adventure. So what are we doing? That's what I was going to ask you.
Same
What's
old
this?
introduction.
Hold it over the plate. No, the
you got
white.
it down.
Yeah.
They haven't even thought over it. God, I don't know why you started that.
I always do it.
I said that you need a bloopers at the end of it.
At home, and it is a sunflower snack. I'll do it.